Oh my God, that thing.
Poor guy.
Oh, buddy.
Here, put this. Put that over.
Okay. Do you guys have? Oh my God, this is amazing. Hi, buddy.
He can't.
He can't fly. He can't fly.
I don't want him to grab me with the beak.
Yeah. Oh,
Shit. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm a little scared.
Oh shoot. Okay.
That's good. That's good. Yeah.
Oh shit! Get him, turtle. Careful, careful.
You got the pliers?
I got little scissors. Can that help?
Man, that thing has really got. I think he's trying to grab me now.
Yeah. Well, he's probably freaked out.
Yeah, he's probably freaked out, but I think he's covered good.
I think I'm gonna break these.
Bring the knife.
Yeah, we need a knife or something, and that'll wedge this right open.
If you break them, but...
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It's okay.
Here, a quarter?
I got...
He's shivering. Yeah, quarter.
Oh my God. I got pliers.
Man, it is not working. Oh, there.
He goes.
Wait.
Back up.
Come on. I know.
Step on my shirt. Don't take the shirt.
Don't take the shirt. We need the shirt. It's okay, buddy.